Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the Duranify channel. My name's Alfredo Duran, and in this video we're going to be doing some comparison. If you're like me, you're wondering what the video differences or quality differences are between two drones on the market that are foldable drones, popular drones on the market, hard to find sometimes, and that is running at 4K 60 frames a second. Only two that I know of that are folding. That's the Hubsan Zino2 and the Mavic Air 2 that just got released. They're both going to be running at 4K 60 frames a second, and we're going to do that video comparison right now. Okay, so I'm back on the other side of the intro here, and I want to just kind of set the table and let you know how this video comparison went down. So most of us, are wondering what the video differences are between the two cameras, right? So to be able to compare, I set out to make them as same as possible. So I did it so like you pulled it out of the box. Set all the camera settings to full automatic. ISO, exposure, and white balance are all automatic. They're shooting in 4K, 60 frames a second. I rendered the video in 4K, 60 frames a second, uploaded it to YouTube at 4K, 60 frames a second, and I did change something though. I did put ND16 polarized filters on both cameras. The Zino2 has the Freewell ND16 PL, and the MavicAir 2 has the 5 more combo that came with the kit, ND16 PL on the cameras. And I did the video clips in around 7 o'clock, and then first the Mavic Air 2 flew first, and as I slid it across real dramatically laterally to slide across over the railroad tracks and facing the river to give you the reflection with the city skyline in the background, and give you that cinematic look to be able to see the shadows, the reflections, to give you a better feel of what it looks like in that kind of setting. And then I flew the Zino2 next. And so both of the videos are about 20 minutes apart. So the sun is kind of changing. You can see it by the shadows on one of the walking bridges across the river. One is shorter than the other shadow, and that tells you that the sun is coming down in the horizon. All right, so I think I covered it. I covered it 4K 60 frames a second, is rendered in 4K 60 frames a second, uploaded to YouTube in 4K 60 frames a second. So with that said, you're probably going to get the most value out of watching this video in a 4K display. Or better, next best thing would be a 1K display, right? And the least value you're going to get out of watching this video is going to be watching it on your phone, because you're not going to be able to get that same, deepness in the video. So the other thing to mention is that YouTube compresses the video sends it out to the device, and then your device uncompresses it and puts it back together, as I do the air virtual quotes, the way it thinks it should, so you can view it. So along the way, there's lots of data being compressed and maybe even lost, so the quality gets degraded. But like I said, if you want the best value of watching this video, do it in 4K display. Alright, so enough talking. Let's get into the video, and I will see you on the other side of the video, okay? Want to interrupt this video to let you know that in the spirit of full disclosure, in the description below I put the links to all the items that I've used to make this video, and if you do use my links that is associated with my affiliate program, I'll get a commission, a little kickback from doing the work and promoting their products. So anyway, appreciate you guys using those links, and I want to thank you in advance for doing so. Let's get back to the video.
Like a treasure, dreaming up our greatest new endeavor. Don't look back, we're on our way. Today is a good day.
Okay, so I'm back on the other side of the channel, and you know, I've had a chance to review this video because I put it together, and you guys have got a chance to view it, and I would love to hear in the comments below what you guys think. But each video from each drone has its strength. I really like the colors on the Hubsan Zino2, and you know, it's a little softer, so if you like this soft video, more of a like portrait look, man, it's a nice video. Now, if you like more of a clinical, sharp look, then the Mavic Air 2 would be your choice. So each has its own strength, and I want to mention here in the conclusion that I did not do any post-processing at all on these video clips. They're just like they came out of the drone. So if you're a more advanced video editor, you're probably going to play with some LUTs or color curves that allows you to change the mood of the video, depending on how you want to portray it, right? Do you want it darker? Do you want it happier? So with that said, you have very good quality video from both of these drones that allows you to give it your own personal touch the way you want it. Alright, I think I've done enough talking. I want to thank you for watching the channel. I want to thank you for watching this video. And as usual, I will probably see you in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.